In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card step by step. If you've received an Amazon gift card and you're not sure how to apply it to your account or use it during a purchase, this walkthrough will show you both options clearly. The good news is that the process is simple, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. First, go to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before redeeming the card, because once the balance is applied, it will be attached to that account. After you sign in, move your cursor over Accounts and Lists near the top of the page. A menu will appear. From there, select Gift Cards. This will take you to the section where you can manage your gift card balance and redeem a new card. Next, click Redeem a Gift Card. You'll see a field where you can enter the claim code. This code is usually printed on the back of a physical gift card or included in the email if the card was sent digitally. Carefully type the code exactly as shown. It's a good idea to double check for any typos before continuing. Once the claim code is entered, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will then add the gift card amount to your account. After that, the funds will be available in your Amazon balance and can be used for eligible purchases in the future. This is a convenient option if you want to store the value on your account and use it whenever you're ready. There's also another way to use the gift card, and that's during checkout. Start by adding the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you're ready, proceed to checkout as usual. On the payment page, look for the option that says Enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Select that option, then enter your gift card claim code in the space provided. After entering the code, click Apply. Amazon will deduct the available gift card balance from your order total. If the gift card covers the full amount, your total may go down to zero. If it doesn't cover the full purchase, Amazon will apply the gift card first and then charge the remaining balance using your selected payment method. That's all there is to it. Whether you redeem the gift card in advance or apply it during checkout, both methods are quick and easy. Just make sure you enter the claim code carefully and confirm you're using the correct Amazon account before applying it.